Laws of chemical combination. First law, law of conservation of mass. Second law, law of definite proportion. Third law, law of multiple proportion. Fourth law, Gay-Lussac's law of combining volumes of gases. First law, law of combination. The statement of this law is mass can neither be created nor be destroyed in any chemical combination or reaction. It means whatever mass of reactants is taken for chemical reaction will remain same when chemical reaction happen. Mass of reactants is equal to mass of products. For example, C plus O2 gives CO2. The atomic mass of carbon atom is 12. O2 is a diatomic molecule. Therefore, atomic mass of O2 is 32 gram. The atomic mass of CO2 is 44 gram. Mass of reactants is equal to mass of C plus mass of O2 is 44 gram. Mass of product is equal to CO2 is 44 gram. Hence, mass of reactants and mass of products both are equal. Second law, law of definite proportion. Any pure compound always contains same elements in definite proportion by weight irrespective of its source or method of preparation. The law is also called as definite composition. For example, water contains hydrogen and oxygen elements in fixed proportion. Oxygen is equal to 88.88% and hydrogen is equal to 11.12% by weight. It means water if we get from any source, sea, rain, river, lake, ocean, tap water, etc. or we prepare by any method, always it contains hydrogen and oxygen elements in above fixed proportions by weight. Second example, copper carbonate CuCO3 contains 51.35% copper by weight, 38.91% carbon by weight and 9.74% oxygen by weight. Third law, law of multiple proportion. If two elements reacting to form two or more compounds with different compositions, then the masses of reacting elements are in the ratios of simple whole number. For example, if hydrogen and oxygen reacting with each other to form H2O, H2O2, the ratio of masses in both compounds are H2O is equal to 88.88 gram of oxygen divided by 11.12 gram of hydrogen is equal to 8 gram of H2O. H2O2 is equal to 94.12 gram of O2 divided by 5.88 gram of H2 is equal to 16 gram of H2O2. The ratio of H2O to the H2O2 is 1:2. The H2O and H2O2 gives the ratio of simple whole number. Fourth law, Gay-Lussac's law of combining volumes of gases. In the reaction in which all reactants and products are in gaseous state, then at constant temperature and pressure, the volume of all gases bears the ratio of simple whole number. For example, H2 in gaseous state plus Cl2 in gaseous state gives 2 times HCl in gaseous state. Volume of H2 is 1, volume of Cl2 is 1, volume of HCl is 2. The ratio of H2, Cl2 and HCl is H2S2Cl2 S2 HCl is equal to 1:1 1:2. Second example, 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Volume of H2 is 2, volume of O2 is 1, volume of H2O is 2. The ratio of H2, O2 and H2O is 2:1:2.